So we have four faces, lady faces. And as you can see, there are some very bad prints, bad print, and good print, and very good print with filament FDM. Now, the problem with this is, as you can see, there are so many islands, um, and it look very bad. This happens when you print the model flat. In this case, we use 2 millimeters. It's actually 0.2 millimeter setting for this print. Is really bad. Look at that, really bad. So the next one was also printed flat, like so. And this is the very important. When we print, we need to have good orientation. Now we still see kind of levels on the print, and this is more pronounced. Very bad um, finish. So in order to fix the problem, we used to print standing. In this case, remember, we have 0.1 layer lines, 0.1. This was 0.2. Then we have this, still we have 0.2 layer lines, but I printed standing like this. I was about to say something different, but like this. I mean, vertical. I mean, standing. This was flat. This was this way. So it's the same setting. I mean, same layer lines like this. But as you can see, this was printed flat. This was printed like this. But gives us better results. Now, if we apply a coat of paint, we actually cover those lines. So most of it, we don't have to sand it. But in this case, we have a better finish, really good finish. This was 0.1 layer lines, and it was printed like this. So I don't know if you see the big difference. Let's see the layer lines. You can see the lines right there. 0.2 millimeters, 0.1 millimeters. So if you happen to see some prints, really bad prints online, it's because it has been printed in oriented like this. Also has to do with the layer lines settings. I mean, this is FDM, it's not resin. That Henry face is for another video. Don't take me wrong, but there are some prints online for sale that they have this finish.